In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the insert key if it's not working in Microsoft Word. The insert key is commonly used to toggle between overtype mode and insert mode, but sometimes it stops functioning due to software settings or keyboard issues. I'll show you several ways to troubleshoot and resolve this problem so you can get back to editing efficiently. First, it's important to check if the issue is specific to Word or affecting your entire computer. Try pressing the insert key in another program, such as Notepad. If it works there, the problem is likely within Word. If it doesn't, you might have a keyboard issue, so try using a different keyboard or check for stuck keys. If the problem is in Word, the next step is to check the overtype setting. Open Word, go to the File tab, and select Options. In the Word Options window, choose Advanced. Scroll down to the Editing Options section and look for the option that says Use the Insert key to control overtype mode. Make sure this box is checked. You should also check that Use Overtype mode is enabled if you want the Insert key to toggle between Insert and Overtype modes. Click OK to save your settings, and then try the Insert key again. Finally, if none of these solutions work, restarting your computer can sometimes resolve temporary software glitches. Updating Word or reinstalling it may also fix persistent issues related to corrupted files or settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the insert key functionality in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.